Hey everyone, Victoria here from Credit Fix Solutions, and I just wanted to give you a couple of industry updates if you haven't heard already. Number one, the exciting news that Illion and Experian have merged. That was approved under the ACCC in 2024. We are waiting, so it's watch this space for when they completely merge together and become one credit reporting agency instead of two. That being said, we hope that it's going to be this year, cross fingers and toes. I'm sure it's a very complex process at their end, but Experian and Illion are going to merge and they are going to become simply an Experian credit file. So to date, we have dealt with 3 credit reporting agencies, and I'm just talking for personal reports. Yes, there's another one for company files, but let's not go there right now. For personal reports, there's Equifax, Illion and Experian, and moving forward, cross fingers, in a very new future, there is only going to be Equifax and Experian. So that's going to be great because we've seen a lot of inconsistencies with data reporting. So a default reported on one file, an account reported on another file, and then we don't know which lenders are checking which credit reports. And again, for lenders, it makes it very confusing too, especially with all the different scoring systems as well. So that's some good news for 2025. In addition, we are rolling out a financial literacy program alongside our partner lender HAS, which is very exciting. We're hoping to get more and more educational programs into schools, especially year 10, sharing that information with their parents, going out to schools with social enterprise work and teaching other kids about what they've learnt. So hopefully a lot of the things that we're seeing, clients coming to us when we're in finance and they've just applied too many times. What can we do about that? You've just applied too many times. People who don't understand the importance of paying everything on time. So they've got a bunch of missed payments. Again, if the data is correct, we can't remove it. So at the moment, a lot of families, a lot of people are being reactive to credit reporting. Like, oh, I didn't know that. So we're hoping to put a stop on that for future generations. We're hoping that the more and more that we get kids educated in schools, the better, and they can share our programs with their families, with their friends, and get everybody on top of understanding how to protect their credit report and how to come and use a local accredited finance broker in their area. So that's it for today. Thanks for listening.